Hi, my name is Patrick and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice and mindful test prep. Coming at you today with an ACT math question. This was question 37 from the math section of ACT 72E. Right there, pause the video. Why not pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then you can unpause the video, watch the explanation, see how you did. Could be tight, because we're getting in there. It reads, the midpoints of the sides of rectangle WXYZ are the vertices of rhombus ABCD. The dimensions of rectangle WXYZ are 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters. What is the perimeter, in centimeters, of rhombus ABCD? Alright, well that gave me some information there that I don't actually have in front of my eyeballs yet on the figure. So let's go in and label some stuff. WX is 6 and XY is 8, because those are the dimensions of the rectangle. And they also told me that A, for instance, is the midpoint of WX. So I'll say WA is 3 and AX is 3. And B is also the midpoint of XY, so XB is 4 and BY is 4. Oh, wait a second. If I look at this corner of AXB, I have a triangle where one leg is 3 and the other leg is 4. And it's part of a rectangle, so it's a right triangle with legs 3 and 4. If I reach back into the memory bank and recall the Pythagorean triple 3, 4, 5, that means I can know that AB is 5. Well, what is a rhombus? A rhombus is a quadrilateral where all 4 sides are congruent. So if AB is 5, then BC is 5, and CD is 5, and DA is 5. What's the perimeter of that shape? Well, it's 5 times 4, so 20. The answer is A. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? And if you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below or email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.